Google opens up its Bayview HQ, the first campus it designed itself. All electric campus design focuses on sustainability. Oh.
That's kind of cool.
What does it remind you of when you look at that, Mo? What do you see here?
Like a sports dome.
I feel like there's something like abstract going on. Like it's like some kind of a grid, but it's placed off.
Are those solar panels?
That might be a solar panel.
Really? That's really cool.
I don't know if it is.
I always
like
like when M Moon posts because of her profile there.
Just the eyes.
How she's barely in it. Here we have a shout out for Brevin who says, "You tell me to buy, I buy. You tell me to sell, I sell. You tell me to go ahead, I go ahead. And if you show me enough times, I also buy." So shout out Brevin. I understand where you're coming from. Thank you for the super chat. Yeah, M Moon really knows how to do it well. Would you agree?
Yeah.
Yeah. I like the confidence in that profile pic.
Yeah.
I don't know if these are solar panels or not, but it's an entirely electric facility. So chances are there's some sort of energy efficient stuff going on.
Yeah.
Google's finally opened its Bayview campus to employees almost 10 years after revealing its initial plans for a new facility back in 2013. First Google campus says the company is designed by itself, and it definitely doesn't look like the traditional offices you're used to. One of the first things you'll notice about the new HQ, the roof looks like dragon scales from afar.
Wow.
Is that what I was seeing? I don't know what I was seeing.
I don't know what I was seeing.
Hey, man, I don't even know what I was saying, man. What I even see, man?
Is that dragon scales?
Did I even see that, man?
Oh, man.
Made up of 90,000 silver solar panels capable of generating almost 7 megawatts of energy, or up to 40% of the new office's energy needs. Wind farms nearby will also provide the energy needed to run the all-electric HQ that has 2 kitchens equipped with electrical equipment instead of gas. In addition, the campus has automated window shades to let a lot of natural light in during the day, and a ventilation system that uses 100% outside air. The new campus also houses the largest geothermal installation in North America that will help heat and cool the campus without the use of fossil fuels. It even reduces the amount of water used for cooling by 90%. This geothermal pile system uses pumps to absorb heat from the ground during wintertime and to send heat into the ground in the summertime. You gotta love it, don't you? You want to play a little bit of the clip?
Yeah.
Ooh, the environment. I heard a bird. I saw water. I saw a plant. Nature. Yeah, you go. No, put the audio. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's get immersed in Google. I want to be immersed in Google.
Okay.
Google, can you please immerse me?
Oh, man. That is
Shout out,
cool.
Ali.
It is
Charleston,
very
East,
cool.
and
Yeah.
Bayview represent the first time that we led the concept and construction of our own major campuses. And it's an opportunity to rethink the very idea of what an office building is and rethink what's possible for the industry.
Did you see the roof? They were like layered over it, like
With this shape, we had
like a
people
tent.
walking by
Yeah.
and they're like, what is this? Like, they don't even know. It doesn't look like an office building, which is so fascinating because then when you come in, you have no preconceptions of how to work that comes from historic ways of working. But instead, it's like a canvas of creating new ways of being together. With these projects, we really thought about people first. Using things like healthy materials and air quality. Everyone has natural light and has thermal, visual, and acoustic
It looks like an airport.
comfort. Down
It
on
does.
the bottom level is
Oh,
really
this
like
kind of
the
cool
market.
design there.
It's where we have our meeting rooms, cafes, where you can connect with your community and collaborate. And then up here, it's more quiet. You're really focused on that immediate team.
The premise around some of the team space is that there is physical collaboration, but there's enhanced virtual collaboration that's going to happen also.
This new hybrid world, work is going to change. But this building can adapt and flex to meet that.
There's a straight line from people-first design to sustainability. It's actually the largest project to ever pursue any element of the Living Building Challenge.
Oh, show me the roof
And it
over
seems
there.
critical. Run away straight away, but capturing that.
The way that it is tucked into the nature is not just a scenic garden for the enjoyment.
That would otherwise have gone in cooling. We're also getting water positive performance out of this campus.
there was a commitment at the highest level to making something that was regenerative design.
Man, this is a cool building.
Well,
brought
yeah.
in a very
What do you think they spent on it?
unique set of partners, both in the design.
But the biggest one that we
What did they
make
spend on it,
happen
Mo?
was the breaking
billions
down
of dollars.
separation between
Mo?
building
Billions.
and power.
Sound like an investor.
Is turned to good use, either for the perfect levels of
I guess
daylight
there's
inside the
several
building,
buildings,
and all
right?
the excess photons
It's not
are
just
converted
one
into
big one.
You know what
It
I
seemed
think?
like
I
there
think
was 3.
You know what I think? It might be several
How do we
buildings.
make buildings that will be vibrant decades from now?
Could we think
wow,
about
look at
the
this guy.
design? Of
He bends
something
down and then inspects things.
Yes.
that emotion is a function.
Look like
It's
Pearson
not some
Airport,
kind of
man.
Finished
It does.
tombstone. It's a living, working laboratory.
Yeah, like I don't know. I mean, it's cool. Don't get me wrong. What?
I think it's really cool. Look
No,
at
it's
this.
cool. Don't get me wrong.
Yeah, but you're saying it's just the airport. I don't think so.
So, give me a picture of Pearson Airport inside, or even better yet, do that airport in Singapore or whatever it is. After. It's very similar, man.
Yeah, Pearson's cool.
It's got like maybe this image doesn't really do it justice, but like it's got a similar glass curve thing going on.
Right,
I
I
guess
see what you're saying.
I guess theirs had a little bit more shape to it, and it kind of felt like sails, almost like fabric.
Yeah.
Look at this Singapore airport.
What? Oh, okay. Well, this wins.
You want to work there? Click the top one there, Will, without the lights. Like, look at you want to work there?
Yeah, this wins.
Plants, right?
And I mean, look at the waterfall. That's unreal.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man. So
Yeah. They might need more plants in there. More greenery.
Well.
I think.
is
know
that?
what I mean?
I felt like that was missing as well. Will,
Yeah.
I felt like you're a living. It's supposed to be a living thing. I wonder why. I wonder.
Oh, are you talking about Google needs more plants?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I
Yeah,
thought
yeah.
you were
Not-
saying
They did all this
Not-
architecture and this environmental thing, and I'm like,
All the plants are outside.
which is fine.
which is good.
Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, no, but for the billions and one, it's cool. It's cool. It's definitely cool.
Yeah.
Everybody wants to work from home now, anyway. And by the way, since the thing is, since we're 300 feet below the Earth's surface, we have no cooling costs at all over here.
We also lack plants.
Oh yeah, you're right. I don't know that they can.
So-
I don't think they can live down here. Will
Oh, okay.
there's no sunlight.
No, they have
Oh.
products for that now.
We're just doing hydroponics. Okay, fine, deal.